Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, sweetie.
I wait for the dentist. I wait for the dentist. My tooth hurts. My tooth hurts. I have a toothache. I have a toothache. My mouth feels numb. My mouth feels numb. My cheek feels cold. My cheek feels cold. The dentist helps me. The dentist helps me. The dentist checks my teeth. The dentist checks my teeth. I feel a little scared. 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 The light is very bright. The light is very bright. The dentist cleans my teeth.
That's right. Just relax.
The dentist cleans my teeth. My teeth are clean. My teeth are clean.
Brush your teeth twice a day.
Okay.
Brush your teeth twice a day.
Twice a day, I will.
That's right. You're welcome, dear.
Thank you, dentist. Thank you, dentist.
That's right. Brush twice a day.
I use toothpaste. I use toothpaste. I put away my toothbrush. I put away my toothbrush. I brush my teeth every day. I brush my teeth every day.
Please floss every day. Please floss every day.
I rinse my mouth. I rinse my mouth. All done. My teeth look white. My teeth look white. My teeth feel clean now. My teeth feel clean now. I pay for the checkup.
Okay, here you go.
I pay for the checkup.
All set. Thank you.
I come back next month.
Perfect. I'll schedule that for you.
I come back next month.
All set. See you then.
I am happy today. I am happy today.